funny. It says like the sky is full of stars, but the stars emit no light. It's very strange. It's a great song though. We do a bunch of like harmonics and other fun sounds to create the kind of eerie feeling that we're hoping to get with this piece. This is called Night Ride. Thanks again for coming. And it's always a pleasure to be able to have an opportunity to show what we've learned and to showcase kind of each time we get a chance to perform, we're getting harder music, a little bit cleaner, a little bit better, a little bit more skills built. So this last song is one of my favorites, and it's called Gauntlet. And again, thanks for coming and have a wonderful evening.
The boy hela.
The Bluetooth Chadella.
The Hanoka.
Oh, people hapa.
Balia.
Baula.
Yes.
Mami muno ya.
Cover upon your nipple.
No.
Kapore Hata Janere.
Pudan hati aja ni ada gimana?
Nepal has a poor.
Bisa apa?
Awamina. I like Nepal. Let us go.
Lah, dah kena.
It's a Kumo call Wapelton. Nothing, my new Diana, your new love. That I'm it is Rami, my double, my big match.
But where are we going? Huh?
To that I said goodbye. The church is the bar.
Water? I'm so thirsty. Yeah, I need water. My dog tea. Dude, hurry up, dude. I need. Hurry up, dude. I need water.
Perpenahan ada kata na, so that's ada kata pelikawa. Ada kalau kian ya, oh tak. Ane member lah kalau wasa dia kalau wasa dia. Nah warkawa, member ada tu, member tu.
Hurry, Esther, I'm thirsty.
She has like butt eyes. Bro, when because I had to try my best with those violin, it makes you tired. Drinking this water bottle is weird. It almost made me choke. Party is over. Vanilla, Vanilla, did you look at me?
Yes.
Did you saw me do any mistake?
No.
Did you saw me stop? Did you saw me stop?
No, not really. Like, did you see me like play E by accident? Like, did you hear E?
No.
Niya gigo pola acudo do korbo.
What?
No, but like, did you hear a E string?
No.
Like that is messed up.
No.
No. Okay.
I heard.
Cause like, oh yeah, Jigga, I heard you cough.
Yeah, and I heard your sneeze. Nah, man, you're very loud.
Yeah, Jigga, I could hear you from far away.
Nggak cakap aku cari tadu dah.
How about
But you know who Juku?
yeah, Mom, I heard Jigga.
Eh? Hello, where we going? Hello, where we going? Papa, you know that I'm sick.
What?
I'm sick.
Why?
You're not. No, you're not.
That's what your belly says.
Like, you guys, some, like, you were supposed to do the violin low, but